Good afternoon, it's Sunday afternoon and it's a quick Learn Tagalog video saying mom and dad sa Tagalog. Let's start with mom first. There's nanay, nanay, inay, inay, and just in case you've heard someone say nay, that's a short form of inay or nanay. And there's mama, mama or ma, and some call their mom me, like me, which is a short form of mommy. So you have nanay, inay, mama, me, nay, ma, and now let's do dad or daddy. Now let's do dad or daddy. For daddy, there's tatay, tatay, itay, and just in case you've heard someone say tay, tay is the short form of tatay and itay. There's papa or pa, and some call their dad D, or short form of daddy sa English. So we have daddy, mommy, shorted into D or me. We have nanay, tatay, itay, inay, or nay, tay, and we have mama and papa. And that's how I call my mom and dad, and sometimes I just call them ma or pa. That's all for our short video. Until next time, bye!